And if Trump was right, if it's a freebie, if Americans get it for nothing, if we really could put the cost of our government on the Canadians or the Mexicans or the Chinese, why not do it? And why stop at 20%? Why not 40%? Why not 100%? Make the world pay for everything. Just get rid of the income tax and have the Chinese pay for everything, right? Have the Europeans pay for everything, right? If that's the case, because it's not the case. It sounded great to campaign. We're going to raise taxes on foreigners who can't vote, right? But when it comes down to it, he doesn't really want to do it. And I said that. I said he would be backing away from it.